Hello everybody, this is Roger with Roger's Reviews. I just had another thought. Being productive in this time, this is a strange, kind of weird time. I know a lot of people can't go to work, or you can't meet, or you can't be in big groups of people. You're kind of limited on what you can do. So not only can you use this time to be productive, you can start a workout program. You can do those things that you've been putting off, those honey-do list, or all those little items that you want to do but you keep putting off. Also, to spend time with your family. This is like one of the only times that you're going to get all this free time to spend time with your children, your family, your immediate family, those people that you're going to live in the same household with, or have to come in contact with anyway. Spend time with those people and plan special things or do things together that you don't normally have time to do. And just make this and film it, video it, make this a memory that'll last, because a lot of people are looking at this as something negative. Turn it around and make it a positive. Like, when else are you going to have time to start a workout program? When are you going to have all this time to spend with your family or your children or your parents, grandparents? Spend time with those people that you're don't normally have access to. So just make this an opportunity time. And I'm going to start doing these videos every day. Also, start a YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel, take this time and build up your YouTube channel, because there's hardly any people are so busy these days. What we lack most is time. Like, when you're super busy, you wish you could slow the clock down or create time. This is the time. Take advantage. Time is the most the biggest the thing that you need the most of, and this is creating more time for you. So use this time wisely. I don't know how long this is going to last, but like I said, start a YouTube channel, build your YouTube channel, start a workout program, and do those little things that you've been putting off. And also spend time with your family and video it. Make videos and make it into a YouTube channel. Or if you lack content, this is a perfect time to add content and time to basically work on that, because you have all the time now. So use it wisely. Make it productive time. So thanks again for watching. Everybody out there, now they have YouTube at home. You could be one of those people that they watch every day. Everybody's home. Everybody's bored, Some people just want to sit around and watch things. They could be watching you. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share it and let other people know. This is a great time to start this opportunity to improve yourself and improve your life. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.